Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to discuss 10 internship and full-time opportunity. So friends, do not miss this video because in this particular video, you will be able to find 10 companies which is offering internship and the full-time opportunity. So there is a great news here. So watch the video till the end to get the information about internship and the full-time opportunity. Friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel 8, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the notification related to internship and all the job opportunity. So friends, the first internship opportunity for the students, those who are really willing to complete their internship program, and if they are in second year, third year and fourth year of engineering or any other graduation. So friends, all these 10 opportunities will be definitely cover all the graduations and all the streams, even the graduation year 19, 20, 21 and 22. So for everyone, this will be there, this internship program will be there. So let us start with the first one. So friends, triple IT Delhi, so in the Prasna Institute of Information Technology Delhi. So friends, here you can see process to apply for the internship. So basically you will be able to apply on 1st of March 2021. So right now this link will not work, it will only open on 1st of March. And friends, you can see you will be getting a stipend of 5k per month. So we have some other opportunities also where you will be getting 25k per month as your stipend. Okay, now, so for hostel booking, so friends, this internship you have to complete it from triple IT Delhi only. So you can click and you can book your hostels. Okay, so you do not have to pay anything, right? And this application link will start from 1st of March 2021. Now friends, so here mainly research type of internship or any kind of internship related to your machine learning, data science, so everything will be there. So you can see which kind of projects you wanted for the internship, and then you can select accordingly. Okay, so all the project details and the duration, everything has been given here. Okay, now, so friends, let us move to the second opportunity. So the second opportunity is for full time. Okay, so hiring for associate product consultant, and the pass out year is 2020 and 2021. Okay, eligibility criteria 65% throughout with no backlogs, and you can see the qualification and the degree. So BTech, okay, CS, IT, ECE, Triple E, MCA, BA, BCom, BBA, BCA, BSc, IHM, BHM, Mass. Okay, and CTC, friends, it's a very good CTC here. So 5.5 lakhs per annum, and this is by Cvent, okay, company. Now here apply link is given, so you can click on apply, and then you will be able to apply for this particular full-time hiring job. And friends, the third opportunity is by Cisco. Okay, so user experience intern India UHR. Location is Bangalore. Area of interest user experience design. Job type is internship. Okay, technology interest is none, and job ID is this, right? So after that, they have told what they are looking for and what all things are there. And here you will be able to apply for that. So you'll be able to find the eligibility criteria and other details. If they have not mentioned specifically, then anyone from any year or any graduation will be able to apply for that. Then friends, the next one, if we see, then we have project trainee HCM company. Okay, so again AST Corporation is leading the way in the Oracle professional service industry. Founded in 1995, we have established ourselves as the premier Oracle platinum partner with a nationwide presence in the public sector, education, commercial, transportation, utilities, energy and insurance industries. So experience 0 to 2, location Pune, right? So current and preferred, even they will take care. Designation project trainee, experience 0 to 1, BE BTech, CS IT, MCA. Pass out year is 1920 and 2021. Percentage criteria 65%, 60% and above. Communication is excellent. Okay, so all these details, friends, you can just have a look at that, and then accordingly you will be able to apply. So here apply now button is there. Okay, then the next opportunity is from the other company. So this is for backend developer interns. Okay. Now, industry is IT services, city is Bangalore, state Karnataka, and then this is the pin code. And then after that, the job descriptions they have given. So let us come down and see. So what actually they are looking for: BTech, BE or MCA, writing reusable, testable and efficient code, basic understanding of programming language like Python, basics of any front-end knowledge like JavaScript, HTML and CSS3, Angular, React, Node, sense of user interface and user experience, UI and UX principle. You can again click on apply now, and then you'll be able to apply for this particular job. And friends, the next opportunity is by Amazon for STE intern. So again, you can click here for apply, and the job description. So it's in Bangalore, Karnataka, and for the post of software development internship. Okay, programming experience with at least one modern language such as Java, C++, or CSA, including object-oriented design. Okay. Now, the next opportunity, friends, we have from the Cognizant for the internship, and the location will be Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Okay, job ID is this. Now, must have a skills portfolio and project management (PPM). Our employee status is contractor, so they are searching for the contract jobs. Okay, and shift is day job. Okay, and job posting is January 29, 2021. Okay, now, so this is just a few days back, I mean 15 days before, right? Okay, and other things, friends, other details you can just look here, and then you'll be able to apply from here. Apply now, right? Okay, next, friends, we have from the Replicon. So software engineer trainee, and the company is Replicon, and it starts, so this test starts from Monday, Feb 1 2021. So already has started, and fortunately it will end on 16th 2021. So you still have 3 days to complete this test, and duration will be 1 hour 10 minutes. Okay, and this for software engineer training, friends, and technical requirements. So functional computer system, minimum 1 Mbps speed is required to write the test. Okay, and here do and do not. Okay, and about Replicon, so Replicon is a very good company. Job description, you can see desired skills, what they require here, and eligibility criteria. This is the main thing. So job title is software engineer trainee. Educational qualification is 2020 batch, BE, BTech, BSc, MCA, MSc, MTech, good academic record, more than 70%, and no backlogs. Salary offered, so 25% per month during internship. After conversion, there will be a package of 5.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, and the internship program is 6 months. So if you perform well, then they will hire you for the this job, right? So 5.5 lakhs CTC. Then, friends, next is you can see for campus ambassador program. So this is Zoom Abroad Online Limited. So basically this is from the company Zoom. Okay, so internship description about the program: promoting the Zoom Abroad platform on social media. So this is kind of like sales kind of things. Encouraging and increase student participation in event, increasing registration in the app website, organizing events from time to time in your campus and the student community, conducting market research to get student feedback via surveys and interview, managing and growing other CA networks, identifying social group. So this is more of, friends, right? Things like marketing, social media marketing. Okay, in 1,000 per 100 registered student, and INR 5,000 per student enrollment. So, and then you can see 25% scholars if you study abroad in Zoom Abroad Partnership University. So you can just go through that, friends. So this is the internship opportunities by Zoom. And friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you. So we are starting with the complete core Java courses with certificate, and these are the live classes, and this is starting from 15th of Feb, that is day after tomorrow, and this is what we are going to cover. So you can have a look at that. So we will be also putting the link in the description. So I hope this video was very much helpful, and definitely you will be able to apply for whatever jobs you are eligible. So internship program, so second year, third year, fourth year, even the full-time job opportunities are also there. Thank you, friends, for watching the video.